Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 9, and today we will present our topic about promotional translation and professional practice. Now, let's take a look at the discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marisa Irandasari Huta Barat. Now, I will explain about why advertising and promotional translators are not just translators. Okay? According to the text, language skill alone are not enough in these fields. Promotional translators need additional non-linguistic abilities. They must understand and textual genres, the subject matters of the product, and how media channel, success television, and websites, and then radio. They also need persuasive. They also need persuasive skill, activity, cultural awareness, and flexibility when working.
Hello, everyone. My name is Romina Situmorang. So, today I will explain about valuable tools in the translating promotional text. So, the first is a brief. A brief is a document or information from the client that explain the purpose and direction of the advertisement or promotional text. It's helped the translator to understand the message and that should be delivered to the audience. The second one is visuals. Visuals are visual elements that accompany promotional text, such as images, colors, font, and layout. These elements make the advertisement more than attractive and support the message. The third is multiple version. So, multiple versions refer to providing more than one translated version for promotional text, especially slogan or short sentence that have an emotional nature. So, this helps the client choose the most suitable version. And lastly is negotiation. Negotiation is the discussion process between the translator and the client regarding the translator work. So both sides can agree on the best translation. So I think that is all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm from group 9 and then in this time I will explain about my slide. This about a short note for freelance translators. Can one life of promotional and advertising translations? Before that, my name is Koirnisa Triryani and let's go next to my explanation about the first point. For the first point, we have possible but challenging. What is possible but challenging? It is according to my berdasarkan dari apa yang saya pahami, working as a freelance translator can be a viable career, of course. However, it is not an easy provision because translators must compete in the global market and continuously look for translations projects. Success in this field requires strong language competence, persistence, and the ability to maintain professional relationships with the clients, of course. And then next, we have the point two, it is unstable income. The unstable income, one of the main challenges of freelance translations is the instability of income. Unlike salaried jobs, freelance translators are paid based on the projects they receive. The amount of income can vary depending on the number of assignments the complexity of the text, and then the demand for translation services. I think that's all the unstable income. And then the point 3, we have need strong skills, of course. The need strong skills it is to success as a freelance translators. Of course, we have the need strong skills. Individuals must possess advanced language proficiency as well as a deep understanding of cultural and the contextual meanings. In addition, translators must demonstrate professionalism, accuracy, and consistency in their work in order to gain trust from clients and maintain long-term collaborations, of course. And then for the point 4, we have specialization matters. The importance of specialization. What is about the important specialization matters? It is emphasis that specialization plays an important role in improving a translator's professional opportunities. Translators who focus on specific files, such as legal, the medical, technical, or academic translations, often have higher demand and better payment because their expertise is considered more valuable. And then next, we have the long-term commitment. Okay, long-term commitment. Building a successful career as a freelance translator requires long-term commitments. And the translator must continuously improve their skill, of course. Why? Because expand their professional networks and then maintain a strong reputations. For what? For quality and reliability. And then over time, this effort can help the translators obtain stable the clients and then sustainable the income. I think that's all my explanation about the 5 point. And then thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
So here I would like to share an example of promotional translation advertisement of a product of foreign brand that translated into Bahasa Indonesia. As you guys can see the advertisement in this slide, the sneaker makes the man or sepatu ini yang membentuk gayamu. The slogan in the poster use idiomatic translation, which means the translation is not done word for word, but is adjusted to sound more natural in the target language. The slogan suggests that sneakers can reflect a person's style, confidence, and identity. If it is translated into Indonesian as sneaker membuat pria, it sounds unnatural. Therefore, it is better translated idiomatically. For example, sepatu ini yang membentuk gayamu or sepatu menunjukkan siapa dirimu. In this way, the promotional message is still clear and more appealing to the Indonesian audience. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, in conclusion, promotional translation is not only about translating word but also about adapting message to attract and persuade the target audience. Advertising translators must understand marketing, culture, and brand identity to create effective translation. With the help of tools such as briefs, visuals, and negotiation with clients, translators can produce suitable promotional content, although competitive. Promotional translation can also become a professional career for freelance translators who have strong language and creative skill.
Alright, that is all for our group. Thank you for your attention. And if there are any mistake in our presentation, we sincerely apologize. Thank you.